Hello, respected judges and mentors. I am Utsav Lankapati, the team leader of a team NexGen Sentinels. I am here to show you our answer for problem ID 25041, an AI-driven unified data platform for oceanography, fisheries, and molecular biodiversity insights. The problem statement and why it matters. India has a huge coastline and depends on our oceans for food, climate stability, and jobs. The big problem is that important information from fishing, ocean, health, and sea animals, it all kept in a separate places. It like having a pieces of puzzle scattered everywhere. This makes it impossible for scientists, fishermen, and leaders to make a fast and smart decisions. What happened as a result is illegal fishing, more pollutions, losing sea lives, and a financial loss of nearly 850 crore rupees per year. Our solution, the Samudra Darpan, which means a ocean mirror. It's a one smart, central digitalized platform that pulls all marine data together into a single system. It combines all the data about the ocean, fish, and biodiversity and use artificial intelligence to give everyone a real-time and useful knowledge. The main thing it does are real-time data, AI predictions, easy policy support, simple tools, and easy to use. It has a simple pipeline as a technical approach to take any kind of data. It makes all the data the same standard and tag in using worldwide rules so people can compare information from different areas. AI and machine learning tools gives the fast warnings and smart predictions. Simple dashboard shows the information clearly to all users. The whole system is safe, flexible, and ready to be used across the entire nation. The feasibility and viability of our solution is like with an investment of 50 crores, it can create a net worth of 350 crores every year, and it will also help us to top the 850 crore loss caused by the illegal fishing and pollution. Our plan moves from a small test to national-wide launch, all built on a foundation of a strong growth and security. The benefit and impact of Samudra Darpan helps everyone, protects our sea life, ocean environment, saves money and resources by making operations smarter, gives the researchers structure and reliable data by they can trust, have the government enforce rules and support sustainable fishing, ensure the conservation while also improving the income and the live fishermen. In a short, Samudra Darpan is more than just a data platform. It is India's next generation intelligence system for the marine data and the marine world. It takes a scattered information and turns it into real-time action and policy decisions, making sure we have a sustainable future for our oceans, our people, and our economy. We are Team Next and Sentinels. Thank you.